Okay, so I'm playing Escape LOlgamer2012's house, as you can see again by Quantum Burrito. And in this video I'm listening to Disco Lights, and it says by Aaron Stess. Oh my gosh. Oh, you gotta get out. Oh my gosh. This is like the only obby I can actually do. This is the Epic Face Ball Pit. Guys, Olivine is trapped in the Epic Face Ball Pit. How the hell do I get out? Put that bit back in there. This is the Burger Man. Guys, do you think I'm actually gonna win? You see the winner sign over there? Do you think I'm actually gonna win? What is this? Oh, that's the recording thing. It's like at the top of my screen and I can't move it. Oh! Oh wait, never mind. The like text thing is different in the game. We is escape. What the fuck? You changed this. I'm gonna ground him once I might have to go to escape the rainforest, Obby. I don't care about Google Fiber. I'm never gonna get it. Actually, I don't know what it is. Phew, we is escape. Yeah, you used to be able to actually do this, now you can't. Yeah, I'm gonna have to. Please don't stop, Mark. Yeah, I don't know. I don't. Most of these are obbies, and I hate obbies. So, like. Oh, I wonder who that is over there. Oh my gosh, guys, it's Jimmy with an I. Another one of my characters. Yeah, I agree. I agree with this right here. I agree with this. You should do that. You should subscribe. Go. I don't remember that being there. The purple water. Clenches fist of rage. Oh, hey. Guys, this is too scary for Roblox. This is the really infuriating part. I don't know if I'll be able to finish this. An ad. I'm gonna get a hammer and I'm gonna smash my phone to pieces. My parents would kill me if I did that. At least Olivine confetti. Oh wait, have I said what I'm listening to in this video? I don't think I have. I'm listening to Disco Lights by Darren Styles, and if I have, I'm sorry for repeating myself. My memory isn't that great. Should I like put a flashing lights warning for that? Not flashing lights, but like a flash warning for that. I don't know. I don't think I will. It's not. Like, I have like a really big water bottle. It's as big as my head. If I ever start doing face cam, I'll probably show it. Um, and normal water tastes bad. So I like putting water flavoring in it. I don't know what I'm like saying, but I tried putting like fruit punch and black cherry mixed together, and it was pretty good. It's good. Is this impossible, or am I just bad at obbies? Also, Olavine's dad, His name is Evil Chicken Sky God. If you couldn't tell, he's a sky god. And, you know, Olivian got like lightning powers from him. I know. I don't know why I said I know. But so like I like to say Olivine the Lightning Queen. Yeah. Probably could have told a more interesting story. That was probably my own fault. I'm gonna shoot myself. I'm not actually gonna do that. I mean, when one thing goes wrong. Dude, I'm gonna scold him for making this jump impossible. Yeah, this is impossible. My god. I hate Obbies, and I shouldn't say that even if I'm joking. Yeah, it's been like 2 minutes of this. Yeah, I'm gonna yell at this guy for that. I'll probably have to get a picture. Let me just open that. What is that? No, I just saw something that said like something about a game. Oh my gosh. Wait. I'm just reading something and okay. Okay. Yeah, I give this guy a little kiss. Okay, yeah, that's it.